Okay, great. Thank you, Bob. So in StarBucks, we were watching this for a potential short on a weekly basis. Did not trigger. The pattern is now invalid. So I am taking it off my chart. If a new pattern becomes available, we'll look at it again. Coke, we were looking at a possible short trade, which was off. Long trade, there's nothing doing yet. There's too much overhead resistance. So that's also off. FAST is now officially on a daily basis, which we're watching this a triple top. It exceeded a certain gain level again, so that is off the charts. BDX, we talked about this on our Monday release. We were looking at it possibility both ways, but as a continuation, if it got above the 181.44 level, we were watching for it to target 182.64 and 182.04. It pretty much reached up to 182.64. Its high was 182.65, and it's closed at 182.02, and our level was 182.04. Both levels hit on there. We are done watching it. It ran up. FCX, we've been in this triggered a couple weeks ago on a daily basis, gapped up, then collapsed back down, then proceeded last week, and finally this week to reach its full target on the gap down open. So that is now an exit, and it is off our charts. Now this is forming a much bigger pattern. Just keep in mind on a weekly basis. So if I switch this to a weekly basis, there's another potential massive double on a weekly basis, which you can see here now. So we'll continue to look for that if we get a close below the 1313 on a weekly basis and a close below the rising 50 exponential. KLIC talked about a continuation pattern on our update Monday, President's Day. We talked about two higher levels, 2089 and 21. Both those levels were hit, and then we closed at 2102. That is done. MKTX reached up, hit our first Gann level higher, the non-95.16, and then reversed down. Still going to be watching for the second possible Gann level higher. Just closed back in the formation. We weren't looking at a short just yet. So we will update that again later. Comcast, double top. You see prices all the way down here now. We're on the 37.89. This is not a trigger. This was a stock split today. I have to work on getting the split data updated on my chart, but this did not trigger, did not come close. So that's why you see this big move. So you got to be a potential when you see things like this to check for stock splits, because you don't want to get misled by something thinking it actually traded this way when it was simply just a stock split. That's all I have for you right now. Bob, back to you.
Thanks, Mike. Thank you guys for watching. If you like these videos, please hit subscribe and click the little like button, the little thumbs up. Follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, and there is a new Money Path podcast up in iTunes right now. Type in the Money Path podcast into iTunes or go to our website, pathtradingpartners.com. Also, send us an email at support@pathtradingpartners.com or go ahead and leave us a comment in the comment section. We'll take a look at those. Cheers, everybody. Thanks for watching.